Sparks.
And Bandito.
I'm trying to do an intro, and I have lost my ability to speak. I'm just here cleaning my nails and rambling. Explanations are supposed to be succinct and informative. This is just...
Well, you can always do the meta talking about what a good intro is as a way of introducing yourself and the topic of the video. You know, it's so meta vlogging.
Anyway, coming back to the point. This is the first day in weeks that I feel more like myself. So we're gonna walk around, maybe just get some coffee or treats, because now it's all the treat economy for me. And potentially go to Sephora because I wanna just see what's new. And also I keep seeing everyone in my office. I work at Bobbi Brown, the makeup company, so I see everyone with glowing skin and I'm like, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? And they're all like, highlighter, highlighter. So I'm gonna go to Sephora and see what highlighter can do for me. Nails are clean and sufficiently less green, so. Oh, this looks like matcha.
Tasty.
No, it's not.
Oh, man. It's almost glittery.
Oh yeah, look at the difference between the two. One is glittery, the other is shimmery.
Shimmery, yeah.
I like this one more.
I agree. I don't know about that one.
No.
It's giving jaundice.
What was that?
I said your left hand definitely doesn't look bruised.
Coming out of Sephora with a handful of swatches is the move.
Hit every doorknob on your way out of there, didn't you?
Why are you gonna be so mean? I'm having fun here.
So am I.
Macaroni will never be phony or otherwise.
Damn.
That was crunchy. I said you drink coffee like a like an old Victorian lady at high tea. You were like,
No, I just didn't want it to like come. I don't want it to spill.
that's my point.
It wasn't the heat.
Okay, fine. Anyway, so
God.
we stopped by a really cute game, like board game store
Board game store.
that we love, and we got Sparks.
And Bandito.
Now, Sparks is a conversation game inspired by Late Nights Under the Stars, which, yes, 100% that sounds like us, me specifically. Because I love the deep dives into the deep stuff.
And Bandito is a game where you break a guy out of jail, or you don't.
No,
you don't let him. You don't
Wow.
let him get out. You keep this man down and incarcerated.
Woo!
Reasons.
Please, no. Everyone's gonna think you're some, like...
Those who know me, know me.
I was gonna say everyone's gonna think you're like a white man, but then...
Clearly I'm more peach colored than white.
That's not... Okay, you're also colorblind, apparently.
Wow. Ooh, so français aussi? Wait, no, what the hell's wrong with me? That's Spanish. Preparation. I'm sorry, but preparation goes
Yeah,
both
that's
ways.
true. No, I was literally watching a Trevor Noah stand-up show recently, and he said when he got to the Paris airport, it said information, and underneath, in English, it said information.
Yeah, honestly, those romance languages, you know, really just goes to show how universal love is. Setting up the game.
I hate it here.
You could leave. Find the super card, place it in the middle of a large table. The youngest player starts. Wow, okay. So I will always be starting.
What?
Because I'm like December, so I'm like the youngest.
You're older than me.
All
By
right.
a whole year.
How easy it is to forget these things, folks.
This is really cool. It's just like
Yeah.
tunnel cards. That's all it is.
It's not my fault if I start to get.
Tunnel vision.
There you go. You're doing great. Sorry, you said you needed my help with something?
I need your help with my sanity.
You asked the wrong guy.
No, the point is to not scar the box.
It's not scarred.
It's mildly traumatized.
It's you know, slightly
It's
punctured.
gonna grow up and potentially go to like a couple of therapy sessions and say that's not my jam.
There's a minor, okay, perforation. There. This feels like something from Curology. This feels like, it feels like there's a moisturizer in here.
You're so spot on with the Curology.
Let's get this conversation started. I guess Kylie Jenner has moved up from her Pepsi ads.
Oh, that was a deep cut. I like it.
So, about sparks, deep in relationships, be present, be patient, oh man. Okay, set up the decks, past, present, future, starting with the past.
Wait, what's that line from? Be something, be kind.
Oh, I thought it was be aggressive, be aggressive.
No, there's a movie. There's like a 2000s, early 2000s movie.
Wait, they're like...
Oh, it's a Barbie movie. The Princess and Pauper where he's like, be something, be something. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Anyway. It says be present, so put your phone away and actively listen.
No.
It's all here
Ah!
in the Princess's Book of Etiquette.
Oh my god.
Let's begin. Frittering aloud.
It says be patient.
Stay present, stay pleasant, stay proud.
Stay present, stay pleasant, stay proud. That's where that's from. Look at these shiny, what do I call them? Cuties?
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna call them glossy boys, so yeah, this is that high quality stuff right here.
No, he's never done drugs. Why do you ask?
I'm excited. I think we're gonna have a board game night sometime in the next week or two. And
yeah.
We have some really fun additions now. This, don't forget the cactus bit. Otherwise, I'll accidentally water it in a couple of days.
Funny. Camera died, but I just wanted to finish documenting how this man was the sorest of sore losers.
I honestly was like 3 sore thumbs and 2 stub toes.
Because you had decent.
No, I didn't.
You had decent-ish letters.
No,
if you
I didn't.
you had a Z, you had a Y. You just had to like have some patience. What was it? Be present. Be
That's a
pleasant.
different game altogether.
Be proud.
It's a different game. They don't. I had 4 E's my first go around. It was hard. Okay, it was hard. And I'm just.
Scrabble is about patience as much as it is about luck.
Lexiconographical superiority. Lexiconographic?
That was actually quite good.
What?
I said it's luck and you said lexiconographical. Whatever.
Yeah, lexiconographic. See, I can come up with that crap, but I can't figure out how to make 4 random letters into a word. Hope your phone runs out of battery too.
Putting on tight knit clothes is the most humbling experience ever. There we go. Oh, forgot to take my meds. off to rock climb because somehow I have the energy to do that today. I think it might be because I took my meds in the morning instead of before going to bed last night. Who knows? I'm gonna make the most of it though.